Hey everyone, in this video I will talk about how to create a animated slide view in Figma. So watch tutorial very carefully, and if you new in my channel then like, comment and subscribe my channel. First of all, you need to open your Figma project and choose a frame. Like I am choosing my frame as iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now choose a rectangle for your slidable card view and round the corners and duplicate it few more times, right and left. Okay, now middle one is little bigger than others. Now I will use Unsplash plugin for image. Now select all and join them together like group. Now group is our child object for frame, so now duplicate our frame few more times. Watch tutorial very carefully. Now select your second frame and slide it little bit left and drag it smaller, and middle one is little bit big for third frame. Drag it left and middle one is big for another side. Drag it right and middle one is big. As before, watch tutorial very carefully and do same like me. If you have any problem for creating this, then let me comment. I think you don't get any issues. Now it's time to prototyping, so connect each other like me.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always